Namaste. Today we are going to learn about why we should save wildlife, what happens if the depletion of forests takes place, and how to conserve the forest. In this video, you are going to learn about why we should save wildlife, what are the consequences of depletion of forests, and how to conserve the forest. Are you interested to learn about it? Let's watch this. Save the wildlife. Why should we conserve wildlife? It is necessary to conserve wildlife because it results in undesirable consequences for the whole ecosystem. Conservation preserves the ecological diversity and our life support systems. It also helps in the preservation of the genetic diversity of plants and animals for better growth of species and breeding. The destruction of forest and wildlife is not just a biological issue. It is strongly correlated with the loss of cultural diversity. Are you observing the cute pictures of the animals? These are the baby animals. Did you observe that? Yes. Please protect wildlife. Please protect these cute creatures. Dear children, save the wildlife. They are God's creatures. Keep them free. Keep them safe. Have some kindness. Do you understand? Save the wildlife. Keep them from harm. Forest and its conservation. Forests are one of the important renewable natural resources, which is mainly composed of trees, shrubs and other woody vegetation. What happens when depletion of forest takes place? Destruction of forest for human needs disturbs the ecological balance. Let's see the consequences of depletion of forest. Due to the depletion of forest, rainfall in the region decreases and area may finally become a desert. Deforestation may also lead to frequent floods in that area. It destroys the natural habitat of wild animals and also birds. It leads to topsoil erosion and reduces soil fertility. Forests, especially on mountains, protect from floods by trapping and absorbing water and then slowly releasing it. In this way, forest helps us. Deforestation causes extinction of various species, resulting in the loss of irreplaceable resources. Yes or no? Yes. It also brings about regional and global climate changes which become warmer because of lack of humidity factor. It deprives human beings of the benefits of forest trees and also animals. It threatens tribal people whose survival mainly depends upon the forests. So dear children, please conserve the forest. Silviculture is one of the major programs started to replenish forest. Afforestation should be there in the areas which are unfit for agriculture along highways and also rivers. There are many programs also. A special program of tree plantation called Vana Mahotsava is held every year in our country. It should be made more popular. Forests should be protected from fire. Time for activity. Your activity is make a poster of conservation of forests.